In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $127,710 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys step by step which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will show you step by step how you can join affiliate marketing and start making some commission like this and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you can understand and you can start with $0 zero budget. So let's get started. Okay, so for people who will ask why it's showing $0 in your balance, because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. Okay, and by the way, this commission took me almost like 2 years. Okay, I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still doing this business, it's still profitable for me, and using just free traffic from social media, promoting affiliate links and making commission. Okay, so for beginners who want to start making some money with Fiverr affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, like this, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website so you can get idea how much you will earn for each uh, service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, just click over here on join now. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this sign up process page, and as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. Okay, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language over here. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. Anyone can sign up. It's really super easy. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go and search for Pinterest. Okay, because we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, and make sure to open business account. Okay, not personal account. You need to open Pinterest business account, and of course it's for free. You just need to use your email address. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. You should have an account like this one. Okay, what you need to do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, like this. So now I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, I'm gonna share with you guys how you can find and my method that I use to find profitable services that got me commission. Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to Pinterest, go to Google back. Okay, go back to Google, search for Pinterest trend. Okay, like this, click on the first link over here and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what we will do, you should use Pinterest trend. Okay, we need to see what's trending right now in the last 13 days, what's trending in different countries. Okay, in Pinterest, what people are searching for. Okay, so you cannot promote any services, you need to choose specific services that are trending so people can buy those services from your affiliate link and you can earn commission. Okay, so go to Pinterest trend, scroll down, you have here country, you can choose which country you want to target. So for example, I'm gonna keep just United States like this. Okay, I will scroll down, Pinterest trend will give me top trends in United States this month. Okay, as you can see over here, so those are the trending products and services in United States in the last month. Okay, we have this nails, this product for a woman. I'm gonna see if I can find some services. We have fashion, Valentine's gifts for boyfriend, outfit. Okay, let me see. So you can click here and search for what's trending. Okay, I can see this one is a service. Okay, quote. Okay, I will click on this one. So let me see, and I can see that this one. Okay, I will click over here on the past 1 year, and I'm gonna select past 3 months. Okay, and I can see that those quotes are trending now. Okay, in the last 13 days, those quotes are trending. Okay, let's scroll down. So let me see. We have this one, mindset wallpaper. Okay, I'm gonna see live quote to live buy. Okay, let's take. So those are the trending quotes on Pinterest. Okay, and as you can see, it's go down, but it's going up now. Okay, in February, this quote service is going up. Okay, so what I will do, I will promote a service about quote. Okay, I will go to Fiverr, go back to Fiverr, click on the search for quote. Okay, search for quote like this, and I want you to pay attention in this step. You will find a lot of people here who are providing those quotes. So for example, like this one, as you can see, is providing this quote for just $5. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, sellers who has like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated seller, those sellers who have a lot of reviews and they are good sellers. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check those sellers, they will check the reviews. If those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one. This one has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy his profile link, just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. It's gonna take you to this page. Click over here and put this affiliate, this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, we just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, so let's go to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and it's gonna take you to this page. What you need to do next, you need to upload a picture about this service. Okay, so just go back to this seller page on Fiverr, click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop. Okay, let me see if I can some good pictures. So this picture is looking good. Okay, I'm gonna take, let's take this one, double click on the picture, click on save image and save this picture to your laptop. Okay, I'm gonna name it, for example, quote like this. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to Pinterest. Okay, so let me see. This is my picture. Click on open and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded to Pinterest. So you need title. So just go back to this seller page on Fiverr and copy his title. Okay, so you are just an affiliate marketer, you can use those information. So that's what I do. I will put this title here. I need description. I will go back to this seller page. I will scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. Okay, so this is his description. Okay, so just copy this description. I will copy this part like this and I will go back to Pinterest. I will put this description here scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here. Okay, like this. So you need to click over here on choose a board. Okay, click like this. So if you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. Okay, and you can create as many as you want. I already have a lot. I'm gonna choose this one, Fiverr affiliate. Scroll down, you need to put here tags and keyword related to this service. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, and you will scroll down, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down, and you should see related tags. Okay, those are the keyword that you need to use. Copy those keywords, go back to Pinterest, put those keywords here, go back. You make sure to use a lot of keywords. Okay, so your pin can get clicks and can be so people can find this pin in Pinterest search. Okay, so make sure to use a lot of keyword related to this service. Okay, after you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go, you just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, this is your picture, this is your title, your description, this is your affiliate link, and this is your affiliate link over here. So if people click on your affiliate link, for example like this, they will be directly in this Fiverr profile seller page. If they click on continue and they buy this service from this seller, you will get commission. It's super easy, but you need to promote a lot of services on Pinterest, and you need to promote specific services. Use this method that I share with you. Use Pinterest trend to find trending services, and that's it. If you stay consistent and you promote like two affiliate links per day on Pinterest, you will get your commission very soon. Okay, of course, if you stay consistent, and it's dependent on your work. I was promoting my affiliate links on Pinterest, and I have old account. I have a lot of accounts. This account that I'm using right now, it's just one account that I use just to show you this method. So I have old account, and they can promote a lot of affiliate links per day. So for you, if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between one and two affiliate links per day. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video.